Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear kids. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to read page number 4 and our reader is Ali and Banu. Dear kids, as you know we have already read page number 1, page number 2 and page number 3. What we have read on page number 1? On page number 1 Ali was standing in the park. On page number 2, we have read, who is this guy? This is Ali. Who was this guy? This is Ali. After that, on page number 3, we have seen that there is a girl standing in the park. What she was doing in the park? She was standing in the park. So, today we will read page number 4. On page number 4, first of all, you will tell me what you can see on this page. On this page, you can see right here there is a boy. What he is doing? He is taking swings. What else you can see on this page? You can see some trees. What is the color of the leaves of trees? They are green. Can you see something else in this park? Yes, there is a desk over here. And do you know this girl's name? No, I will tell you her name. Her name is Banu. What is the name of this girl? Banu. No, you will tell me. Who is this? This is Banu. Who is this? This is Banu. Now you will read it in loud voice. This is Banu. Who is this? This is Banu. You know who is Banu? This is Banu, a cute and beautiful girl. Her name is Banu. So now tell me, who is this? This is Banu. You will learn it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.